Hello and welcome to this new video tutorial of OpenCart Delivery Boy app. Now this Flutter-based app provides the functionality to build a bridge between the admin and the delivery boys. Through this delivery boy app, the admin can manage the orders and assign them to the respective delivery boys. And on the other hand, the delivery boys can further process the order by delivering it to the customer's doorstep. In today's video, we'll be checking out the Delivery Boy app for the Android device. As you can see that I've already downloaded the OpenCart Delivery Boy app from the Google Play Store on my Android device, and I have the shortcut on my home screen as you can see right now. So today we'll be checking out how the admin and the delivery boys can access their account, how the admin can assign a particular order to a delivery boy, how the delivery boys can process and deliver the order to complete the order via the mobile app itself. Apart from that, we'll also be seeing the account options that the admin and the delivery boys get within the mobile app itself. But before I proceed further with this particular video tutorial there, please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive the latest updates from our end. And if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. So right now, to open Delivery Boy app, let me open it up. So here's the main screen of the Delivery Boy app for the OpenCart platform based web store. So here you can see that we have the option to log in and we have the option to create an account. Now the delivery boys or a user who wants to become a delivery boy can come and can create an account by tapping here on the create account option, and that brings up the create delivery boy account section. Now here the particular user who wants to become a delivery boy needs to enter his name, telephone number, email, password, confirm the password, set up his vehicle number, set up his address, and choose his vehicle type as bike, cycle, or a car, and tap on the submit button thereafter to create a particular delivery boy account. Now it depends upon whether the what we say as the approval of the delivery boy has been set as automatic or manual. If it's set to manual, then the admin needs to moderate it and approve it before the delivery boy can make use of the different options there. So that was how to create an account by a user who wants to become a delivery boy. Now we have a login option here and the section to enter the email and the password. Now the admin as well as the delivery boys can access the same OpenCart Delivery Boy app to log into their account panels there. Apart from that, you also get an option for the forget password here. So you have to enter your registered email address, and on that you will be getting a reset password link there. Now the very first thing that we'll be seeing is we'll be seeing the admin backend panel. So what I've done is that from the web store, as a customer, I've placed one order and that order would have received to the admin. Now the admin can access the web backend there to process further the order and assign a particular delivery boy to that order, or he can use the mobile app as well to do the same on the go. So to do so, what I'll do is first we'll be logging into the admin there account. So I'll enter the admin email address and the password and tap on the login option. Now after login, we'll be seeing the very first thing, that is the sales dashboard, as you can see here, and we have the orders statistics as well and the sales statistics as well. You can filter them out by daily, weekly, monthly and yearly basis as well, as per your own requirement there. The same goes with the orders as well. You can go with the daily, weekly, monthly, yearly basis. So let's go back to the sales there, and then you have the today's orders, and here you have the pending orders, processing orders and the complete orders. So after you have assigned the particular orders to the delivery boy, that particular order would be listed under the pending order there. So right now we have not assigned any, so there's none. Then we have the processing orders. So whenever the orders have been assigned to the delivery boys and they are being processed, they will be under the processing order. And whenever the orders have been delivered by the delivery guys there, then we'll be seeing those orders under the complete orders section. As you can see right now, we have the complete order section, and here is the processing order section, the orders are now being processed by the delivery boys there. And then we have the map showing the location there itself. And now if I bring the or if I swipe from left to right here you can see that we have the delivery boy manager here as the admin, and here we have some options. The very first was the dashboard that we saw. Then we have the orders, delivery boy, and logout. Under the orders, we'll find the complete list of orders that we have received. So this is the latest one. As you can see, that is unassigned at the very top. That's the order number 1460. Here we have other orders being listed as well, like the processed one, the complete one. The complete one is in the green color here. In the process are these one like 1457 and the others. So here you can find the different order statuses for the different orders as well, and the new orders that you have received. Now I'll go to the delivery boy in a section from in a while from now, but let's first check this particular order number 1460. That is an unassigned order. So I'll tap on that, and that will bring up the details of the order, as you can see, with the product, the total, the status, and the customer name, the payment address, the shipping address. Here we also have the track with Google Maps option to track the location of the customer there. At the very top here you can see the delivery boy option is there, and here you can choose a delivery boy by tapping on the right arrow that you can see to the right of the choose delivery boy option that we have. And here you also have the option to check this checkbox if you want to deliver if you want that the delivery boy should accept this order before processing it. So let's check this option and tap on the right arrow. This will bring all of the delivery boys that are available within that particular section or the area. So here I'll be assigning this to the John Doe. So I'll tap, so you can see that the order has been assigned to the delivery boy, and now the delivery boy is been assigned to this particular order number 1460, and the delivery boy name is John Doe, as you can see. Now let's go back. So if I now go to the dashboard and if I go to the pending orders, you can see that now it's the order number 1460 is in the pending order state there. Now let's go back. I'll take you to the delivery boy end in a while from now. So what happens is that after the assignment of the delivery boy, an OTP is being provided to the customers in the order details section. At the time of delivery, that OTP has to be provided to the delivery guy so as to complete the order there. So we'll see that in a while from now, but before that we have the delivery boys section. Now under the delivery boys, here you'll find the complete list of delivery boys that are registered there. You can tap on any of the delivery boys to view their details, like their car number, their email, their type of vehicle, their phone number, and their location on the map itself. Apart from that, you can also edit the details by tapping on the edit option there, and then you can make changes to the details here, as you can see, and then you can tap on the submit button to submit the updated details. Let's go back. You can also add a new delivery boy by tapping here on the add button on the bottom right hand corner and enter the name, telephone number, email, password, confirm password, vehicle number, his address, the delivery boy status, whether enabled or disabled, his vehicle type, and tap on the submit button to create a new delivery boy as per your requirement using the mobile app itself. And lastly, we have the logout option to log out of the admin mobile app there. So let's log out. Now let's log into the delivery boy app. So for that we have to enter John Doe, and I'll tap here on the login option. After login, we have to provide the access for the location. Now here you can see that here we have the same dashboard as we saw there. The weekly, monthly basis for the sales, for the orders as well, daily, weekly, monthly, yearly. And here we have the pending orders, processing orders, complete orders. Now under the pending orders, we will find the complete list of orders that are still pending. So here is the order number 1460 that was assigned just now by the admin to this one, to this delivery boy agent. Under the processing orders are all of the orders that have been accepted by the delivery boy and are under process of delivering. Under the complete orders, we'll find the complete list of orders that have been delivered to the customers. and here's the location of the delivery boy on the Google Maps there. Now if I swipe from left to right, here we have different options like dashboard, orders, account settings, and logout option. So we have went through the dashboard. Now under the orders, we find a complete list of orders, and here you can see that the order number 1460 has arrived here on the delivery boy agent's order section, and he can accept this order from this particular section itself. So I'll show you the process of completing the order there. So here we'll accept the order by tapping on the accept button. Now if I go to the dashboard and I go to the processing order section, here I'll find the order number 1460. Here are the details of the customer at the top, the shipping method used, the contact number, the payment method, the product, and we have an option to deliver the particular product. Now what happens is that after the order has been assigned to the delivery boy, after the delivery boy has accepted the order, he has to pick up the order from the particular location there, and after pickup he'll be tracking the customer's location, and he'll be going to the location of the customer to deliver the particular package. So to track the location of the customer, you can tap here on the track with Google Maps, and that will bring up the Google Maps, and you can track the location of the customer there very easily. Now to deliver the particular product to the order to the customer, you have to tap here on the deliver option, and then you will see the collect amount of $85 for the order itself. You have to tap here on the pay button. After you receive the amount, then you have to ask the customer for the OTP. So I'll set it as 979376, and then I'll tap here on the proceed button. After tapping on the proceed button, the order will be accepted there. As you can see that the order has been delivered successfully, and I can tap here on the OK button. So here this order status has been changed. Now if I go back and I go to the complete order section, I'll see the order number 146 being completed there itself. So yes, that was the working of the OpenCart delivery boy app, and I hope it helped you out in understanding the flow of the same. And for the backend configuration, I'll be creating another video and I'll be posting it up for you, so that you can understand the backend workflow of this particular OpenCart delivery boy app as well. Yes, that was much about the video there, and I hope it helped you out. If you still have any questions, queries, suggestions, or requirements regarding the same, then you can anytime get back to us at support@webkul.com, or you can raise a ticket at webkul.uvides.com as well. Apart from that, if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. And lastly, thanks for watching this particular video, and have a great day ahead.